Hi guys, welcome back, and the title says it right, unboxing the Samsung A31. And gusto natin makita kung anong difference nila, kung anong improvements na nagawa from A30s to A31. By the way, the colors available for this are Prism Black, Prism Blue, and Prism White. The one we have is the Prism Blue with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal memory. I'm going to show you the specs and give you a short tour of this phone. And then we'll see if there's any improvement, especially when it comes to gaming. Kasi yung A30s, medyo hindi maganda yung performance niya when it comes to gaming. Lagging siya, and then yung resolution di rin siya maganda. When it comes with watching YouTubes and other videos, okay naman A30s. And then we'll see also kung mag-improve din siya sa resolution. So let's go ahead and unbox the phone. And small box. And then this phone. Ito yung unit. And what's inside this box? It has naman ng box ay we have a jelly case. Medyo grayish siya. Medyo grayish yung jelly case. Quick start guide. And the warranty card. Let's set this aside. We have the charger, earphone, USB-C type cord, and the SIM ejector pin. So let's set this aside. Ito na yung phone with Infinity U display, quick camera, and on-screen fingerprint. Ayan o guys, ang ganda ng kulay. Color blue, prism blue, parang bagong kotse. And pagdating dito, may parang stripe siya pababa. So may hati siya dito. Ganda. Para may border siya. So this is the power button, volume control. On the top, there's a mic. On the bottom, we have earphone jack, USB-C type port, the mic, and the loudspeaker. And on the left side, we have the SIM card tray and the memory card tray. It is expandable up to 512GB using the micro SD memory card. Kakaiba yung setup nila. Yeah. Plastic material sa likod. And then, very glossy siya. So, matakaw siya sa fingerprint. So, every time, lagi ko siyang pinupunasan. Ganon. So guys, ito na yung screen, no? Parang Disney Pixar na Inside Out movie. So guys, tingnan natin yung ibang menu. Meron siyang call and text on other devices. Ibig sabihin nito, if meron kang Samsung tab, pwede mo i-divert yung call and text mo from this phone to your other device. Halimbawa nga sa tab. So, okay din siya pag inactivate mo siya. Meron din siyang always on display. Unfortunately, wala siyang screen record. Unfortunately, wala siyang free screen protector. So, you really need to purchase online. And guys, I suggest you to optimize your phone every day. Make it a habit. Kasi minsan sila yung cause ng paglalag ng phone and pagsa-slow motion ng performance ng phone. For you to get this menu, you just pinch the phone and go to widgets. Select this device care, and then ito, andito siya. Just drag mo lang siya sa taas. So meron na ako so hindi na siya mag-drag. I-drag mo lang siya dyan kung saan gusto nyo i-place. Meron din siyang screen edge panel. Ito yung mga shortcut menu na makikita mo. For you to customize that, para makita mo, punta tayo sa handle settings. Yung transparency niya, gawin natin low. Ayun, lumabas siya. You can select colors yellow, ito red. Ako green na lang para mas kita agad. And then small size or large. Small na lang para hindi masyadong ma-occupy yung buong screen. And then, ito na. Hilahin mo siya dito. Andyan yung mga shortcuts. So, yun. Helpful sa akin to pagdating sa edge paneling. And another option is edge lighting. Meron dito sa phone. So, ito yung parang notification lighting kung merong bagong message na darating sa'yo or any updates. So, ito yun. Pwede ka mamili. This one to mga effects. Ako ito sa side para kita mo. Ayun o. Then, color, siguro green para kita agad. And then, advance. Transparency, low or high. Duration, ako medyo long. Kasi pag tumunog yung phone, at least kita mong may nakapop up pa. Or medium, pero high ang preferred. So, done. Ito. You can see naman the performance of the phone. Mabilis naman siya. The operating system of this phone is Android 10 under One UI 2.1. Updated na rin siya. The processor of this phone is MediaTek Helio P65. Yung sa Samsung Galaxy A30s, ang processor nila is Samsung Exynos 7904. Meron din pala itong sensors, face unlock, very effective siya kahit naka-eyeglass ako. And the in-display fingerprint sensor. So, i-test natin kung mabilis siya mag-response. Game. Join. Yan, mabilis siya. Then, unlock natin ulit. There you go. Sa camera naman, sa A30s, merong slow motion, pero walang macro. Dito, may macro, pero walang slow motion. May live focus siya, pero wala siyang dark mode. Wala siyang night mode. Same with A30s, wala rin night mode. Marami rin nagtatanong kung paano maglagay ng watermark sa phone. So, first, go to photo, then menu. Then, activate yung watermark. So, ito yun. Sample natin is, kunin natin tong picture. Ito. Then, ito na siya. Ayan. Samsung A31. For the battery capacity, it has 5,000 mAh with fast charging of 15 watts. Yung charger na pinakita ko kanina that's the 15 watts charger. For me, it's very generous na rin na 5,000 mAh yung battery power nito. As for the Samsung Galaxy A30s, it has only 4,000 mAh. So, sulit na rin when it comes to the battery power of this phone. For the camera, it has quad camera at the back, 5 megapixel depth camera, 48 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide, and 5 megapixel macro camera. As for the front camera, it has 20 megapixel. Both front and back camera can record video up to 1080p at 30 frames per second. Screen size is 6.4 inches. Same lang siya with Samsung Galaxy A30s. With the display type of Super AMOLED and resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels.
That's all I wanna do. I'll touch you safe and
So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching the sample pictures and videos taken from this phone. So far, ang na-observe ko sa gaming, nag-improve siya. Although yung settings siya hanggang high lang, wala siyang ultra settings. But at least nag-enjoy ako maglaro ng games kasi wala siyang masyadong lagging compare sa A30s. And then the other thing is, same thing then when watching movies on YouTube and Netflix, okay na okay sa akin. So guys, to sum it up, for the price of 14,990 pesos, kung hindi naman kayo heavy gamer and then hindi naman mataas ang standards ninyo when it comes to the video and then pictures taken from this phone, then this phone is for you. Sa pictures naman, good yung quality as you can see on the sample taken from this phone. Good for everyday use, for TikTok, Facebook, selfie pictures, selfie videos, pictures with friends, and others. When it comes to loudspeaker, hindi siya masyadong malakas pero at least hindi masakit sa tenga yung music. Naiintindihan mo pa yung mga lyrics. Sana nilaksan nila konti pa yung loudspeaker volume. Pero for me, it's enough already kasi mahilig din naman ako magsuot ng earphones. So if I wanted a loud music, mag-earphone na lang ako. And then, i-volume up ko yung music. For me, I will use this every day as my secondary phone. Pero wait, meron pa tayo isa pang kakompetensya. It is the Samsung M31. I'm going to make a quick comparison video, A31 versus M31, kung ano bang mas worth sa kanila. And speaking of which, I'm going to give this phone, this is A30s, Samsung A30s. Ito yung predecessor ng A31. Hindi to pwede sa heavy game user, as I've said, kasi nga hindi niya kaya yung mga high quality games. And then the resolution hindi masyadong maganda. For the mechanics, para manalo kayo sa phone neto, please read the description down below the video. Again, thank you very much for watching and then see you again on my next video. Bye!